In today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to add navigation menu in a WordPress website using Elementor. First of all, log into your WordPress admin dashboard and then go to plugin section and click on add new plugin. And here, first of all, make sure to install and activate the Elementor plugin. So now you have to search here master add-ons. So you have to install and activate both Elementor and these master add-ons. Once done, now go to appearance and click on menus. And now here we have to create a new menu. So just click on menu name and here give the menu name. And menu settings, I'm selecting here primary menu. And now click on create menu. And once the menu added, now it's time to insert items into this menu. So here's I'm adding blog page, about page, contact page and clicking on add to menu. And now just clicking on save menu. Now let's create a new page. And then just click on edit with Elementor. Okay, once you are in this Elementor page editor, now we will make or design the menu using Elementor. So here first of all click on the settings icon and page layout, select Elementor full width. And now click on this add container icon and selecting flexbox, and I'm selecting this container or structure. And now it's time to design our menu here. So in first container we will add our logo. So click on this plus icon and add image here and click on choose image. And now go ahead and upload or select your logo for your website. And here as you can see my logo added. Now you can go to style tab and from here you can increase or decrease your logo width according to your choice, and then you can also align your logo and then select the second container, and in this container we will add our menu items, right? So in this search widget box you have to type here nav and through the master add-ons plugin. Here you will get this navigation menu. Just add this here, and then as you can see my basic menu created now, and click on this select menu and select the menu that you just created, and you can change menu layout as well, and you can also change alignment for the menu. So I'm selecting left alignment. And now to add a background color to your navigation menu, you have to select the main container. So just click on this select or edit container icon, go to style and click on background classic and go ahead and select a color for your background just like so. And you can also change menu items color by clicking here. Now once your editing finished, just click on publish and that's it. You have successfully created a navigation menu for your WordPress website using Elementor. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.